Good morning, friend. Today we have to discuss the types of entrepreneurship. The types of entrepreneurs are depending upon the level of willingness to create the innovative ideas. The entrepreneurs, first one is the innovative entrepreneurs. These entrepreneurs have the ability to think newer, better and more economical ideas of business organization and management. They are the business leaders and contribute to the economic development of the country. The examples of the innovative entrepreneurs are, suppose you have to consider a small nano car by the Ratan Tata, then organized retailing by the Kishore Biyani, then see the Anil Ambani, it will be creating a small mobiles for the persons and he will be the remove the more economy from that system. Then we have to see the second, imitating entrepreneurs. These entrepreneurs are people who follow the path shown by the innovative entrepreneurs. In these entrepreneurs, they does not permit to create an innovative idea on their own basis. They follow the path shown by the innovative entrepreneurs. Such entrepreneurs in country will be large in numbers in every field of business activities. They fulfill their needs for the achievement by imitating the ideas introduced by the innovative entrepreneurs. For example, we have to see the development of small shopping complex is the work of imitating entrepreneurs. All the small cars manufacturers now are the imitating entrepreneurs. Means whatever may be the innovation created by the innovative entrepreneurs, the imitating entrepreneurs will be the follow the guidelines given by the innovative entrepreneurs and they will be produces and get the good economy. Then we have to see the next, that is Fabian entrepreneurs. The dictionary meaning of Fabian is person seeking victory by dealing rather than by a decisive battle. These entrepreneurs are those individuals who do not show initiative in visualizing and implementing a new ideas and innovation, wait for some development which would motivate them to initiate unless there is an imminent threat to their existence. Then we have to discuss the fourth one, that is drone entrepreneurs. The drone entrepreneurs is a person who lives on the labor of others. Drone entrepreneurs are those individually who are satisfied with the existing modes and speed of business activities and show no inclination in gaining the market leadership. In other words, we have to see that the drone entrepreneurs are die-hard conservative and they will be ready to suffer from the loss of business. Then we have to see the next one is the social entrepreneur. The social entrepreneurs drives the social innovation and information in various fields. See the fields, suppose you have to consider the education, you have to starting a one school or college, this is the entrepreneur. Then health, it will be related to starting a one medical hospital. Then human rights, worker rights, environment and enterprises development. These entrepreneurs will study the business practices and think on that, and they will be dear to overcome the traditional practices and to do some innovate. See the example of the Dr. Muhammad Yunus of Bangladesh, who started the Grameen Bank. It is one of the example of social entrepreneur. These are the 5 different types of entrepreneurs. Then you have to see the functions of an entrepreneur. The first function of entrepreneur is innovation. An entrepreneur is a basically inventor who tries to develop new technology as well as to develop product and market. Innovation may involve doing a new things or doing existing thing differently and create innovation. An entrepreneur uses his creative faculties to use their knowledge and create a new things and exploit opportunities in the market. He does not believe old things. He continuously searching for changing conditions in the product as well as in the market. According to that, he will create the new things, new product and new technology for the human being. Then second one is assumption of risk. An entrepreneur already he is a risk taker, not a risk seeker. He always prepared or it will be assuming the loss whenever he creating a new idea or project whenever he started. This willingness to take risk allows an entrepreneur to initiative in doing a new things and taking a good efforts to creating a new things by considering the losses or the risk. Then third one, see the research. Entrepreneur is a practical dreamer as well as he working on the ground level as well as he think about the new technologies properly. See, the entrepreneur finalizes an idea only after considering the varieties of options, analyzing their strengths, weaknesses by applying the analytical techniques, testing their applicability, supplementing them with empirical findings and then choosing the best alternative solution. Means he thinks the different technologies as well as methodologies to the one problem and he find the more solutions. From that he choose one solution. It will be economical, it will be easy technique for the problem statement. Because of that, research will be a very important part to find out the solution for the problem as for the entrepreneur. The fourth one is the development of management skill. It is a very important part to planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling and coordinate the activities of business. Means whenever the business will be started, it will be a well planned as well as to form the organization. Then staffing means we have to take the good faculties as well as good technical persons, as well as directing is very important to the all the persons or faculties available in the industries, as well as good control on that faculty will be very important and coordination will be very important. These are the different managerial skill. It will be a very important to the entrepreneur to develop a good business idea, as well as for the growth of the business. These managerial skills will be very important. Then fifth one is very important, overcoming resistance to change. We have to know that whenever the new things will be comes, then generally people will be opposed because existing pattern will be used by the peoples, and because of that they will be opposed to the new things. An entrepreneur always first tries new things or idea at his own level, and whenever the successful implementation of this idea will be done, then this idea will be available to the others for their benefit. He convey the what are the different benefits from the product or ideas to the consumers or others. After the understanding of that benefits, the others will be used this technology as well as product to the owns. So the overcoming resistance to change is very important to the entrepreneur. Then sixth one is the catalyst of economic development. Entrepreneur is very important, plays very important role to development of economic activities of the country by discovering a new idea as well as forming a new product by using available resources and by proper utilization of the things, and it will be develop a product and it will be increase the economy of the country. These are the different functions of the entrepreneur. Then we have to see the difference between the entrepreneur and intrapreneur. See in the table we have to see the difference between the entrepreneur and intrapreneur. First we have to take on the basic points, that is capacity, status, decision and rewards. First we have to discuss related to the entrepreneur. In the entrepreneur, he is the owner of that business or company, he is the boss and he takes all the decision related to the company. Then according to the rewards, it will be uncertain or unlimited, it will be benefited by the business or product or ideas. But in the intrapreneur, the person, it may be manager, he is a salary employee, execute the decisions by the guidance of owner, and he is a manager, because of that he has fixed the rewards as well as salary. Then we have to see the difference between the entrepreneur and promoter. For that we have to taking the basic points: stage of business, owing business, nature of job and example. In the entrepreneur, you have to see the from conception to the continuation, own the enterprises including everything, means he will be start the business, he is a owner, he is a own boss, he takes all the decision related to the business or product or ideas. Its benefit will be a unlimited, we have to already discuss in the above point, and it may be any business. Then what is the promoter? He is a not owner, or it may be a owner. To bring a business into existence means it will be in good condition, or it will be starts a business. The person, he will be a specialized in that area, it may be a consultant or chartered accountant, and they will be offering the services to start or to grow the business properly. Then we have to see some maths about the entrepreneurship. First one is the entrepreneurs, like leaders, are born not to mad. The entrepreneurship is a discipline comparing of models, process and case studies. After that he will create the entrepreneurship development. Then second one is the entrepreneurs are academic and social misfit. See, the education is very important to make entrepreneur as a true entrepreneur. For example, Mr. Anand Mahindra and Mr. Kumar Birla is the example of educated entrepreneurs. But see, one of the example that Dhirubhai Ambani had no formal education. Bill Gates, this is one of the second example, has been a school dropout. These are also a good entrepreneurs. Then third one is to be an entrepreneur, one needs a money only. Finance is the lifeblood of an enterprises to survive as well as growth. For starting the business as well as to grow the business, the money is very important. Without money, the cannot be happens or start the company as well as grow the company in proper time. But suppose there will be idea is good one, then money is the not problem, we can arrange the money by sharing the shares to the others and creating the new business. Then fourth one is the to be an entrepreneur. A great idea is the only ingredient. A good or great idea shall remain an idea unless there is proper combination of the all the resources present in the system as well as from the management will be very important to be an entrepreneur. Then last one is the one want to be an entrepreneur as having no boss is great fun. Means whenever the entrepreneurs will be think on one of the technology or product, his own product is present, because of that he is own boss, there because of that there will be no boss. He is working 24 hours for his venture or successful ideas, as well as he will be punished by its own. Because of that, entrepreneur will be very important for creating a new business idea product. These are the some maths about the entrepreneurship. Then see, in this video we have to discuss related to the different types of entrepreneurs. There will be a different 5 types of entrepreneurs are present. Then we have to study related to the functions of the entrepreneurs. Then we have to see the comparison between the entrepreneurs and intrapreneur. Then we have to study it related to the entrepreneur and promoters. And in the last we have to see the some maths about the entrepreneurship. Thank you friends.